My name is Kakuza and I'm the founder of the Central Code. Today we are going to dive deep into the SEI ecosystem and join me on this journey as we bring to you this playlist of SEI Explained. But let's start from the fundamental. What is a blockchain? A blockchain is a decentralized ledger that records transactions across multiple computers in a way that ensures security, transparency, and immutability. It consists of chains of blocks containing a list of transactions. So, blockchains were popularized by the trilemma of decentralization, security, and scalability as suggested by Vitalik Buterin. Many more general purpose and other specific blockchains have come up, and that's how SEI was born. So what is the SEI blockchain? SEI blockchain, on top of defining a blockchain, is the fastest L1 with a finality of 0.38 seconds and throughput of 12,500 transactions per second. This is blazingly fast, and it is both EVM and Cosmos compatible. That means that if you're building on EVM chains or EVM compatible chains, you can easily migrate your work to SEI. And SEI comes to specifically address the trilemma of scalability, capital efficiency, and decentralization. So this is a great place for people who are into trading and DeFi and many more other projects, as we shall see. Let's look at the key features of this blockchain. It has a parallelized EVM. What does this mean? A parallelized EVM blockchain refers to a blockchain that implements parallel processing techniques to improve scalability and throughput while maintaining compatibility with the Ethereum's execution environment. And with the SEI blockchain, it unlocks higher throughput and faster transactions to finality by processing multiple transactions in parallel. So this is why SEI is one of the fastest L1s. You can also look at the speed and scalability of the SEI blockchain. So speed and scalability are two critical aspects of blockchain performance, especially when evaluating how effectively a blockchain network can handle a large volume of transactions while maintaining efficiency. In the case of SEI, the transaction throughput, block time, and transaction confirmation time is blazingly fast. This is one of the things that I love about SEI. It's very fast, yet it is still gives us the benefit of a blockchain. And SEI is EVM compatible. As we talked about, EVM compatibility refers to the ability of a blockchain to run Ethereum-based applications, smart contracts, and decentralized applications without requiring significant changes or adaptations. With the SEI ecosystem, you can deploy and interact with these at ease, which provides out-of-the-box advantages of ensuring migrations, interoperability, developer familiarity, and so much more. Things are seamless. If you've been developing on EVM, you can simply migrate and test the capabilities of the SEI ecosystem or even build on SEI. And we can also talk about the security and decentralization. Yes, we know that blockchain security refers to the measures and protocols in place to ensure the integrity of data, the confidentiality of transactions, and the resistance to unauthorized tampering or attacks. For the SEI ecosystem, security is largely achieved through cryptographic techniques, the twin turbo consensus, which increases processing by over 40% from the vanilla Tendermint that was used for processing in the Cosmos ecosystem, and the network decentralized nature of over 50 validators on the mainnet. What can you do on the SEI ecosystem? We have DeFi. So we know that with the blazingly fast throughput, SEI network has both accelerated and attracted many DeFi projects to build and deploy on SEI. These include Yay Finance, Yaka, Filament, DragonSap, Jreverse, and many more. And these are such a great opportunity for one to explore and see the power of SEI. When we talk about gaming, it's one of the aspects revolutionizing the Web3 space, and the vast and dedicated gamers on the SEI ecosystem has exploded due to its interconnectedness. Therefore, test out games such as Savians, Dark Gang, The Symphony, Cat vs. Monsters, and leverage the great and seamless advantages of that SEI has to offer. Top-notch marketplaces such as Pallet Exchange provide a great experience for one to buy, sell, list, and delist, or do more with their NFTs. And with many great collections and communities around them, it is a perfect place for NFT fanatics to explore. There are other great marketplaces such as Market, Buy Seance, Seance Swap, for you to swap through NFTs, and many more. We can also look at the world of meme coins. The meme coin saga and the meme coin community is also vibrant, with lots of memes and speculation around them. For example, Seance, Frogon Say, personal favorite of this one. Therefore, note this is not a financial advice. Please, DYOR. Anyway, what is innate for the builders? For the builders interested in building on SEI, you can either do so by deploying Solidity-based applications, because SEI is EVM compatible, or building natively on SEI with the Cosmos SDK. You can visit the SEI documentation, read more on the SEI developer SDK, the EVM developer Turing, and I kid you not, the great supportive community of SEI is here to build together. Thank you so much. This is the Central Code. See you in the next one.